Unites.com, redefining Bollywood.
I think for us as actors, the exciting part is that it's so new looking, it's so fresh, it's so different. Obviously, I think it's a huge risk that he and I have both taken at the stage of where we are in our careers. And like I said earlier, I think Gujarat hasn't been explored too much in our films. Of course, there have been Gujarati characters, or a little bit of Gujarat has always been there, but I think this is really, Gujarat is the heart and soul of the film, apart from the fact that it is a love story. So I believe it's very, very new looking, and it's a new take on a love story itself.
कमाल की बात तो ये है कि ज़िंदगी में पहली बार मुझे लगा कि जो पेपर पे लिखा गया है कैरेक्टर के बारे में, जब लोग और कैरेक्टर्स इस फिल्म में राम के बारे में बात करते हैं, जो चीज़ें वो बोलते हैं, जिस तरीके से उनको डिस्क्राइब करते हैं, तो मुझे लगता है मेरे बारे में बात कर रहे हैं। लेकिन काफ़ी काम गया, मैंने रिसर्च ट्रिप की, वर्कशॉप्स किए, तो एक कैरेक्टर बना दिया। आई थिंक क्वार्टर वे थ्रू द फिल्म मिस्टर भंसाली ने कहा, यार तूने राम को ले लिया, अब तू अपना कर रहा है, मुझे मज़ा आ रहा है, तो मैं करने दे रहा हूँ, तो तू बेटा कर। So it really is a special character for me, somebody I really enjoyed playing.
There was a moment where I kind of broke down today for some strange reason. I don't know why, but I think it also is sort of like to see all the effort that we've all put in. It's not been easy, it's been a really mentally, emotionally, physically demanding film over 1 year. And the fact that he is a perfectionist, he doesn't let go of anything, and he looks at things a certain way, and it has to more or less be that way. He has a vision, and it has to, everyone sort of works towards that. So it's obviously been a very tough journey. As exciting as it was and as challenging as it was, it's also been quite tough. So today, to kind of see all of that come together, and I did get a little emotional.
Thank you for watching. Click on the subscribe button and stay tuned.